Would be nice to watch the 49ers game, but I'm going to have to get a mini fridge.
One for I-280 south toward Daly City.
Hello, human kindness.
Whatever California family it is.
George Kittle too low, made the catch, and Trayvon Diggs able to tackle him. He lost the ball. Dalton Schultz out of bounds and the 49er 40-yard line with 14 seconds to go. Two receivers go left, including Tony Pollard. It's a designed run for Dak Prescott. 30, 25, gets hit from behind by Azeez Al-Shire. They got to get up and clock the ball. 5, 4, 3, 2. Dak will he get it off in time?
No.
With 1 second to go. Did he spike the ball in time or not?
No, he did not.
He did not. The 49ers have won the game. What do you got, Alex Kemp? Did he spike it in time? 49ers or Jimmy Ward's got his helmet off, ready to celebrate. Alex Kemp, is the game over? Checking with his crew here.
Dak Prescott says we got one more play. That's the end of the game.
Game is over. The 49ers have won. They're on their way to Lambeau.
Oh, my goodness.
Is that subject to review at all in New York to see when he spiked it? But he spiked it.
No,
Dallas is not leaving here.
That was the right call. I could tell. That clock was 0 before that ball was snapped. What an unbelievable effort.
Maybe. United, proud to fly the San Francisco 49ers. Design.
There's 2 displays, and then there's the Magic Chef behind the ladder.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
What does she say right here? Oh, there we go. Magic Chef. Would prefer something freezerless, like maybe this one, but I think I might end up having to get this one, which, I mean, looks, it's not too bad. I would still have to defrost it. Whatever. Okay, now that I have the fridge, I guess I will get a dolly so I could I actually don't need a dolly to carry this mini fridge up the stairs, but I do need one to safely carry my old one down the stairs. It's actually quite a selection of little hand trucks. I mean, I could get one of these tiny ones over here, or I could get one of these like more snazzy fold-out ones over here that have 4 wheels on it that could transform between 4 wheels and 2 wheels. So the regular hand truck is $45. The convertible one is $90. I think I'm just going to get the cheaper one. I don't think I need one with 4 wheels, to be quite honest. So you are going to get put away, and I am going to grab you. All right, let's head out. It's tempting to shop for more stuff because I do need a tool set. Okay, I don't need a tool set. I just want a tool set. But I need to get out of here because I only have the rental car till 9. Good job. I'm telling you, when you bust your mini fridge like I did this morning, that gave me, I mean, I had two options. I could either order another one online and wait 12 days for it to ship, and I don't want to go 12 days without a refrigerator, or I could do what I did this evening, which is rent an SUV, drive down to Daly City, and do old-fashioned shopping, which in a weird way is actually kind of nostalgic. But yeah, I found a mini fridge that will do. I would have preferred to get one without a freezer, because part of the reason why I'm here in the first place is because I busted the I busted the tube in my in the freezer in my mini fridge, because I have this bad habit of never defrosting my freezer, which leads me to have to actually physically chip away the ice. And of course I busted the refrigerant tube or whatever it is that's in that freezer. So I'm anticipating that the other fridge isn't going to work, and it also needed to be cleaned really badly, and I feel like it's needed cleaning for years, and I've just never gotten around to it. I was going to get around to it today, but it's just going to be easier to get a new fridge, because I've done a lot of damage to the freezer anyway, trying to chip away the ice in it or around it in the past. So I guess with the new one, I'm just going to have to actually defrost it once in a while. All right, let's go home.
Situation, but it was the right call.
The good ones. But you know, I mean, those guys getting that turnover by K1 was so big.
Do it on a short week when they have a bye week.
And what are they thinking the temperature is going to be? Somewhere in the low 20s?
What do we got like?
I think they have their eyes set on one thing. Being
next project.
You know, in their pass rushes, I don't think they had a sack today. 49ers had 4 or 5 sacks today. So, you know, the defensive line really showed up, and guys...
Sports leader.
In every 49ers game, one play can make all the difference.